How's what is your time right now in your place?
Yeah, now it's afternoon 3 p.m.
And what about
Yeah.
actually it's starting of the autumn, right? Or
Yeah,
it's still summer. Is it hot?
no, it's end of summer and starting of autumn. Like it's getting
Oh,
cooler nowadays.
great,
Yeah.
great, great.
How's your day started, Alex?
My day, frankly speaking, my day started 2 hours ago,
Okay.
and I've had a chance to breakfast, to read the messages in Slack, and we discuss situation with the SIP registration with Priyanka and with support team. I've created the ticket because if we realize there is some limitation and restrictions in India, and we're trying to handle all this stuff. And had one more idea how to make life for our volunteers in India easy. And probably we will set up, I don't know, VPN connection. And this will unblock us for every restriction or limitation. We'll see. Probably a support team from the Twilio will help us.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. How's your day and how?
It's quite good. Like it's a week off for me. So I saw first of all I have to say sorry. Like yesterday I have an appointment with you at 11 p.m. in a UK time. So I forgot the
No
meeting. Like
worries.
yesterday I went to work and then directly I came back and I just had my dinner and just slept. The morning when I woke up, I just saw the notification that I missed the meeting. So I was really felt very bad for that.
Oh,
So
no
now,
worries. No worries at all.
yeah, yeah.
Frankly
So
speaking,
now, yeah, that's why I booked two appointments today from 3 to 3:30 and 3:30 to 4.
okay.
So it's completely 1 hour for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and
So
let's get started from
yeah,
your questions.
yes, sir. Like you have sent me a message in the Slack, right? You have edited like code in a main.py. Some you have added some one line of extra code in main.py. I have edited my code and I tried to run. It is asking me to install a gspread package in a Python. So I was stucking with the gspread. So first
Okay.
we'll open Python, or shall we start working with PostgreSQL?
Actually, gspread is, if I remember correctly, this is a package which handle Google spreadsheet functionality and in Python. And actually, we should to install it. I believe that in close future, probably we will exclude Google spread functionality at all, and we will use only database. We'll see. Right now, we are going to use both of them. Our data
I
store
tried
will
to
be.
install, I tried to install gspread in Python packages. The file is getting installed, but while running the package, it is getting some errors.
Oh, really? Okay,
Yeah, I
let's check
just
it, and we'll see how.
So let us open Python. I like your background. That's why I kept your background.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
You know, I struggled a little bit with because I have a old laptop, and camera on this laptop doesn't support this background. And instead of this, I found this workaround. Probably in the future, when I will have a new laptop with a new camera and new graphic design video chip, yeah. And but yeah, and I love.
So this is
Yeah. Okay.
this is the extra line which you want me to add from the Slack.
Yeah. This will help you to start this development server.
Yeah, when I run this program, so it is giving
gspread.
us no module named gspread. So I went to Python package and I tried to
Absolutely
install
right. Yeah.
spread. So is there any particular version
Oh,
of
no, no,
this?
no, 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 no. Can you use, yeah, this one?
Okay.
Install.
Installing packages, right?
Mhm.
Now it will give you error.
If you see in the top of your screen, there is some messages, install requirements. Yeah,
Yeah.
if you hit this button, you will see actually we have file requirements txt and all packages which we need to install. And if you hit the button install right now, you will handle all dependency on the packages. And this is a.
See, this is a message I got when
Could
you
you
try to
hit
install.
details? Could you hit details? Okay, let's check it. Package not found on the
From
current channel.
channel.
Okay, this search. Let me check on my local machine what kind of gspread package I have. And probably this is something new. We'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm open my local machine. And I navigate to the Python packages. I'm going to check gspread. Okay, as for me, I have a version 3.0.7.0.
Okay.
Let me check. I remember that Fishek provide us README file, and probably we should install it separately. And you are using Windows, right?
Yeah.
For your. Just a second. We should install. Oh no, it's not gspread. It's ccop g2. In other words, this is situation on your machine, and let's try to solve this. Could you copy this detail error message?
Okay.
Oh, you can focus to the installing packages failed. This
Yeah,
window.
just opening it. Just keep it aside.
Okay.
Yeah.
And let's copy error if it's possible. Is it possible? No?
This one?
No. Package is not found error. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And let's put this to the Google search. Yeah, and we will see probably guys will struggle the same problem.
Yeah.
And what they talking about? And okay, actually they have the same problem, but for the other packages. And the problem was that they trying to add to their channels list with this. What's mean conda? Do you know?
It's a like when we it's an environment, like when we try to work with like previously I used to work with Jupyter Notebook, right? So we get that Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda. Yeah.
And actually, this is an Anaconda package. This handle, it's like a virtual environment, right?
You know, can you see this Anaconda prompt? Yeah, you have to copy and paste this. You know, the conda config. You have to copy and paste this in the Anaconda prompt and run the code. Then it will try to install some packages we need.
Oh, okay. In other words, right now we should to try to add these channels. Conda Forge. Could you copy your first? Yeah, this one. And let's
Put it on
use
the
it in
pie chart.
conda. Oh, no. I believe that we should do it in, or probably in Python console. Let's try to in Python.
In this one?
No. This is one way, and let's try another way, in our eSharm. Yeah, here, Python terminal. Yeah, here. Could you hit OK? Console, yeah, terminal, and let's try to install this gspread manually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Enter.
Okay, and right now let's try to from the guide from Stack Overflow, let's install our gspread manually. There is a second command. Yeah, conda install gspread. They're trying to install their packages, but we don't need this slide code and control. We need only gspread. But it's okay. Let's install them too, probably.
Is it success or oh yeah?
I mean that we need to change this second row after finishing this process. Code
Okay.
conda install gspread. Yeah.
Okay.
I believe that this should work, and after that,
yeah.
And during this installing process to the conda, I changed a little bit our documentation doc about setting up environment, and you can check it. I add things related to local variables.
Okay.
And just a second.
Yeah.
Is it finished? No?
Packages are installed.
Collecting package metadata. And in other words, we have time, and I'm trying to utilize this time in a helpful way. And we have setting up environment. Okay. And open the processes, development, and setting up environment. One more thing, I've changed this guidelines for the SIP registration. Right now, I'm going to share your link, and you can open and check it out.
Yeah. Okay. So you send it the guidelines in the Asana app, or
just a second. I'm sending you. Oh, let's do it here. I send you. Sorry. Okay. Chat. Yeah, you can open this document.
Chat box. Yeah.
Chat box. Yeah. This will be helpful for you because right now when you install all packages and trying to build, probably you're at the end of the document, you will struggle with all these local variables, which we discussed before, if you remember.
And, okay, set local variables.
And I tried to put some comments that to give some information where it's possible to get them. Okay, let's focus on our Python.
Failed with initial frozen solve, retrying with flexible solve.
Could you hit Control C or Control D or who? Because frankly speaking,
Control
we don't.
D?
Yeah, Control C. Control plus C.
Control C is for copy.
Oh, let's try. Probably it stop current process. Mm-hmm.
Terminate backdrop.
Yes. Yeah. And could you hit button up? Oh yeah. Install
Conda
gspread. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Oh, they will try to collect current data.
Yeah. Done and solving
Solving
environment.
environment. Okay, any other thoughts, ideas, maybe suggestions which you want to mention during all this process setting up environment?
Sorry, I didn't get you, Alex. Sorry.
I mean, probably you have some ideas how to improve our setting up process. Maybe some questions.
No, I don't have any questions. Like,
Oh, okay.
I'm telling you, like, just working on different things. Like it's for your contribution work, and my personal project work and some university works. It's a
Mm-hmm.
mess kind of situation. I'm just sticking sticky notes everywhere in my room, so that I can get an idea of what to do in a regular way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I was
And
thinking like
mm-hmm.
my contribution, it's like developing a code and everything is perfect. Like project is successful, like we have to put that particular code in your environment. Like so for that thing, it is taking time for installing all, like making my system according to your conditions
Oh, could you
to work on.
share your project and how it looks like?
Which one?
Your project. I mean, you mentioned about your project.
My personal
Could,
one, is it?
yeah, your personal one. Could you share?
Yeah,
Probably
it's
some
a
of
own
our
idea.
villagers will be happy, you know?
That I'm pleasure. Like it's a my own idea. Like I'm living in Cardiff City
Mm-hmm.
or in United Kingdom. So according to the here, like what the problems I have faced in my initial stages according to food and according to accommodation and everything. So like there are some people who will help you, but and at end of the day, like they have to look after themselves, right? So for that purpose, like I choose the platform like food platform. So
Mm-hmm.
food will be the major issue. Like whenever we feel like eating our home food, like we like to travel to some other places who are well known people around the UK, or probably if we have enough money or if we have enough time, then we go back to India and spend some time with the parents and eating all our favorite food, and then we'll fall back to UK. So why we want to go for this taste only, you're going back to your country. So why don't you get your own country taste here in Cardiff? So that's why I just had an idea of making this a website for
Mm-hmm.
our own Cardiff people. So it's like this. um,
Cardiff
it's
is in United Kingdom, right?
Yeah, I'm in United Kingdom.
Yeah. I mean Cardiff. This is
Cardiff is one of the city in basically United Kingdom is of four parts like Scotland, England, Wales, and
uh,
another.
yeah.
So
I
I'm living.
remember.
I belongs to Cardiff belongs to Wales city, southeast Wales.
Okay,
So
Raja, can I
uh,
ask one personal question?
yeah,
When I
yes,
was
Alex.
in Goa, I tasted these very nice, bread things with the
Yeah.
onion. I forgot this name. How it names.
Bread omelette.
And no, this is kind of bread, Indian bread
Okay.
with garlic.
Okay.
Indian bread with garlic. Do you know this name with
Yeah.
garlic?
Could you just
Yeah, just
send it?
I'm trying to.
Yeah.
And after that, actually, this is a naan, garlic
Naan.
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 Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Garlic.
yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
So sweet, so
Yeah.
tasty and
Yeah.
so delicious. But the
The
problem
best
is,
combination will be like a garlic naan along with some non-veg curries. It's like how yummy. I'm
yeah,
getting
yeah, yeah.
water in my mouth.
And believe it or not, I've tried to find something similar in Moscow, and I did not
Okay.
succeed. I
Oh.
remember one restaurant, Indian restaurant,
Mm-hmm.
they give and it names as a garlic naan, but it was another version of naan.
Oh,
And
okay.
yeah. And did I get it right that your project it's how to get this experience from your original country and replicate this
Yeah.
experience in, for example, I don't know, United Kingdom or whatever, where the students
Yeah, it's like same thing,
learn.
but I'm not. Yeah, it's not like a business thing. I was planning to execute this idea in the university canteen, so that
Oh,
whenever
it's
we
kind of
go to,
community, right? Food community.
it's a community. So when we go to university, we'll be going to eat something in the canteen. So there also we'll get all the England breakfast, England lunch, and England dishes. So I thought an idea like, why don't we get like we have a lot of around like 200 students in one intake for
Mm-hmm.
Cardiff Metropolitan University. So I was thinking to add our Indian menu in their canteen.
Okay,
So I don't know
if I
how
will
far it
visit,
would go.
if I visit
Yeah,
United Kingdom in the future, I will reach out to you
I'll
that
be
you will
hosting
share
you.
this garlic down. Okay.
Definitely, I'll be hosting you for all your days here. Definitely, Alex.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, how our
So
environment?
this is our like
Oh, yeah, it's
about
your
some,
side. Yeah,
yeah,
and
and this
cool,
is
very cool idea. I'm sure
yeah.
that idea around the food and around the
Mm,
culture, it's very synergetic energy.
yeah. So coming to our menu section, so this is some vegan
Hmm.
curries, some Indian curries, and some fast foods, and some non-vegan curries, and we have
Yeah,
some
for
vegetarian
everyone,
meal and
for
non-vegetarian
every
meal.
preference. Cool.
Yeah, and so jumping into the contact section, so you can order food to your contact numbers, like visiting to our contact numbers. No need of coming
Great.
here. We in the future we also would have a chance of food delivery to your home. So
And
you can just
all
yeah,
this project, it seems like when the Mark Zuckerberg created his Facebook inside of
yeah,
the his
exactly.
university. Yeah, cool.
That's literally a big booster for me. Yeah, thank you,
Great,
Alex. Thank
great.
you.
Welcome.
So this is a sample website I'm creating, and I want to add some sliding images of my own dishes which I prepared for myself. I have
Mm,
collected all the images, so I'm creating to put a image slider in between this menu section and the contact section, which looks like I'll show
mm.
you. Mm,
I like this burger. It's definitely not Indian style.
yeah. So I was thinking to add these
Oh,
sections in slider images in my in between
yummy.
menu
Yeah,
section, and
I,
this is what I made.
I have to run to the breakfast.
Sorry. Yeah, so I
Cool,
need to add this section in this particular thing, this in
cool,
between
Raja.
menu
Very
section and
good
the
for
content.
you. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I like your diversity that you
Yeah,
handling vegetarian, not vegetarian, vegan,
yeah.
non-vegan,
Mhm.
for everyone
Seriously.
who love the food.
Yeah. So and also coming to cost, also I'm like it's a normal cost. It's
Hmm.
very normal cost.
Very normal cost. Okay,
Yeah. So I know what
for
we people
sure.
like
Students don't have a lot
yeah,
of money.
a lot of money. So that's why like we do like it's a service. It's a kind of service, and not only everything goes on service, but some 50%. 50%.
You're trying to balance in between the cheap price and the service.
Exactly.
Okay, Raja, thank you so much for sharing your
Thank you.
project.
Thank you.
And what we're gonna do, step by step, you're trying to use this copy paste and find solution in Stack Overflow. And I'm sure that right now you probably will be succeed with this JSpread and installing this through the conda. If not, another solution, and this solution will be a little bit more difficult to try to switch off the conda environment and try to use virtual environment which provide from the P# by default. But I believe that conda will handle all this stuff, and
it is installed all the package metadata, but it is giving an error like failed with initial frozen solve, retrying with the flexible solve. So I think I need to work more on it, like installing JSpread.
Try to play with conda, and if anaconda will not handle all your stuff, maybe after the 1 days, let's switch it off and try to use original virtual environment which provide P#. Yeah, thank you for your question. Thank you for your sharing your project about food. I really have to go to the breakfast.
That's you know, like when people visit our website, like they have to feel hungry. They have to rush to our place, and they have to have a wonderful like whatever it is, breakfast or lunch or dinner.
Very good
That's
job.
where we find our satisfaction.
Okay, and thank you, and wish you all the best, and let's ask for schedule next meeting soon, right?
I think 3:30 to 4 section is also mine, it seems.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think we can continue with this, or
let's try to solve all this conda issue, and after that let's back to me. Okay.
Okay, that's fine, Alex.
Okay, Raja. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Okay.
See you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.